Hello student, welcome back to our class. Today I'm going to talk about or discuss about repeated rank correlation or equal rank. Okay, so in some cases it may be found necessary to rank two or more individuals or entries as equal. So in this case, we give rank equally to those individuals or values which are repeated. For example, if two observations are repeated, then we have to give the average rank to those two observations. For example, if two individuals, like in our example of variable x and y, if two individuals are ranked equal at say rank in 1 is 1, 2, 3 and 4, it is repeated, isn't it? 3 and 4 it is repeated. So if two individuals are ranked equal at 3, okay, so they are given the rank of 3 plus 4. That means the average rank. We have to give them the average rank because they are ranked at 3 and 4. So we have to plus 3 and 4 divide by 2, which will give us 7 by, which is 3.5. Okay, that means we have to give them the average rank. That means they have the equal rank 3.5. Got it? So now rank in y 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got it? So that means if two individuals are ranked equal at a certain position, so they will be given the average rank. That means we have to add the next rank and then divide by the number of the observations. Suppose if there are three and then 3 individuals or 3 observations which are ranked equally, say for example at the position they are ranked equally at position 5th. So how to give them the rank, the average rank? We have to plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 and divide by 3. Got it? Which will get 18 by 3, which you will get 6. That means each individual will be ranked equally at 6. Okay, so if you have 4 individuals ranked at 5th, then you have to plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 4. Okay, so that means if there are 2 or more individuals ranked equally, then you have to give them the average rank by adding the positions in which they are ranked equally. Okay, so when we have this kind of repeated rank, what should we do? We have to make some adjustment. To the formula. What is the rank correlation formula? 1 minus 6 summation di square by n square minus 1, isn't it? So if this kind of repeated rank is there in the observations, okay, that means repeated ranks, so that means we have to make some adjustment to the above formula, okay, to this formula. So what kind of adjustment we have to add? Okay, we have to add 1 by 12 m cubed minus m to summation di square. Got it? That means we have to add this portion to this with this summation di square. Then our formula will become 1 minus 6 summation di square minus m cubed minus m by 12. Okay, then square minus 1. Okay, so what is this m? M is the number of repeated individuals or observations. Okay, so here according to our example, m will be how much? M will be equal to 2 because the value 2 is repeated twice. Okay, so m will be equal to 2. So if the value is repeated 3 times, then m will be equal 3. If the value is repeated 4 times, then m will be equal 4, and so on. Got it? So now let's take this example and see how can we calculate the correlation coefficient, the rank correlation coefficient. We rank this rank in x will be 1, 2. Since this 2 is repeated, so we'll repeat it at the position 3, then we'll give 3 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5. Then give 3.5 and then 3.5. Then rank in y will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, remember our formula equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square minus m cubed minus m by 12. Okay, n square minus 1. Got it? So now we got the rank in x and rank in y, so we can find di. So how much will be our di? So this will be 1.5 and then 1 and then 0.5 and then minus 3. So we'll find out di square. Di square will be this. If you square this, you will get 1.25, then 1, and then here 0.25, and then 9. Okay, so our summation di square will equal to 11.50. Okay, so I already calculate this m cubed minus m, which is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 2 by 12. 2 to the power 3 equal 8. So 8 minus 2 equal 12, which is equal 6 by 12, which is equal to 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Now we'll apply in the formula. 1 minus 6. How much is summation di square? That is 11.50 minus, how much is this? 0.5. Oh sorry, I put this one. Okay, by n is how much? 4 square minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 6. If you minus this, you will get 11.45, and then this you will get 415, which will give you 1 minus, you multiply this with this, you will get 68.7, and then this is 60. So 1 minus, you divide this directly or you can take LCM. It's up to you. What you feel it's easy for you, you can do. Therefore, R or correlation of coefficient equal to minus 0.145. Okay, that means they have the negative relation. Got it? So if you have a rank correlation, repeated rank correlation, first of all you have to give the average rank to the individual at the particular position, respective position that they are. Then you have to adjust the make this adjustment with the formula. First you calculate this m cubed by minus m by 12, and then once you got, and then you adjust in the formula. Got it? Thank you.